Hello everyone! Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's clip will guide you. Use the software. Help us manage automatically without limits Instagram accounts. I have managed to warm up these accounts automatically. And also, in addition, there may be some other functions, is posting a real video, short video post, and so on. So this is the interface. The first part of the software, Instagram with me. You can see here that I am about 20 of these accounts. And overall I have more than 100 accounts. Here it is. I have added these new accounts. Here are these new accounts. There's information like this, and here I will guide you the way we can be. Put the proxy in. The one's account. This proxy will help us change the IP addresses of these accounts as well. I have some proxies here. You say there? Here's the proxy v6. We can mount v6 and v4, copies of the series. In this process, we just need to paste there. And attaching proxy in turn, we could have been. Attach different network addresses. It's in these accounts. And now I'm going to get to the part. Automatic interaction to be able to log in these accounts. So now I'm going to set a script. Make these accounts automatically logged in. We're going to have a lot of action here. Well, there are actions we can do to help warm up for our accounts. In addition, we can be autonomous with the followers, friends, or interactions by keywords. Here I will set up. The script is warm up like a real person. Watch the feed, watch the story, and so on live post. In addition, we can comment according to AI. However, I will not comment on this part. That's it, and I'll save the script. After the script is done, we can select this script. And we'll choose the accounts. Ours is just entered. I will choose the accounts here. Down here are the ones. Just entered my account. That, and in addition, can post a video, handle, comment, follow, and so on. Change the information or scan the data. Today, I will guide everyone how to warm up account. Sign in to log into these accounts. We just need to press in. To the part that runs the script is the software. Will automatically log in for us and everyone else. Take a look.